Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are drawing a super cool 3D ladder illusion. Before we start with our drawing, let's make sure that we are folding our paper and making it into two parts like this one. Okay, let's start with the two simple straight lines, 8 cm on either side of the fold. This is going to be the shadow of the ladder. Okay, let's start with the actual ladder with the black marker. Don't worry about the thickness, I am going to add very shortly. There we go. Time to draw the parallel horizontal lines, which will be nothing but the steps to the ladder. Make sure they are evenly spaced. This part is actually really satisfying if you see it. Let's start with the shadow part of our ladder. And if you're drawing with me, pause anytime, and if you want more 3D illusions like this, please tell me what should I draw next in the comment section. Don't worry about the perfection, you just have to draw the imperfect, simple, straight lines, and we need to just give it a depth to this ladder. And it's time to smudge the shadow so that it will look more realistic. If you're enjoying this video so far, please help me and subscribe to this channel. And as you can see, I've already given the smudge also. Do you see how instantly it gets the depth? Let's fold the paper now into the right angle and let's wait and search for that perfect angle, the perfect spot. And there it is. Can you see it? Please let me know. And that's our 3D ladder illusion. If you enjoyed the quick tutorial, let me know so I can create more 3D drawing like this. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you want more fun arts.